My name is Mike Evans. I'm the range coordinator with the Carson City Parks Department. I'm also an RSO out here at the Carson City Rifle and Pistol Range. RSO is a range safety officer who polices the facility and makes sure everybody is following the rules and following safe shooting practices. Before you come to the range, make sure you have proper eye and ear protection and an industry standard target. For your convenience, we have target stands available for your use, but you are more than welcome to bring your own industry standard target. You may need to adjust your target stand to ensure you are hitting the backstop. Range safety officers will be wearing Carson City Parks vests. Should you have questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to speak to those safety officers. Please do not bring golf balls, fruit, appliances, ground, aerial, or explosive targets. Your safety and the safety of others is essential for recreation activities. The Carson City Rifle and Pistol Range is located in East Carson City off Highway 50 and Rifle Range Road near the Carson Ridge Disc Golf Course and the landfill. The range is owned and operated by Carson City through its Parks, Recreation, and Open Space Department. The range sits on approximately 80 acres that the city acquired from the Bureau of Land Management through a federal lands bill. Carson City is proud to provide a safe place for the public to shoot and has made an over $800,000 investment into the facility to ensure it meets National Rifle Association recommended standards. Funding for this project was provided from multiple funding sources, including the Carson City Capital Improvement Program, Quality of Life Capital Funds, and a generous grant from the Nevada Department of Wildlife Hunter Education Program, which is funded through the Federal Aid in Wildlife Restoration Act. Some of the major improvements we made out here at the range are to our lateral berms and our backstops to meet NRA standards. The backstops have to be at least 20 feet tall and the lateral berms at least 8 feet tall. We also added additional signage for safety and education for new users to the facility. Another safety improvement that we made is the installation of a brick wall in between the long range and the short range. This would add or ensure safety to the users on the firing lines in case of accidental discharge. We also added drainage improvements to the range. This will help with erosion on each range individually, as well as help with our environmental standards since we are so close to the Carson River